Right, so this is the Vauxhall Insignia that was in last week with a front camera fault. It's had a new module fitted to it today. Oscar have plugged into it for us, done all the necessary coding and that. All we've got to do now is a dynamic calibration. We're using the Bosch KTS 590 to do that. So we're off on a road trip. We're going to hit the button and start. Test drive must be performed after starting the test step. Field division of the component clean and unobstructed. Deactivate start stop. Has it got start stop on it? Start stop off. Vehicle speed 60 kilometers an hour constant. No vehicle within a range of 50 meters. A straight road with many stationary objects along the side of the road. Favourable weather conditions, so that's them all ticked. So off we go. Continue. Start. Engine off. Ignition on. That's the ignition on. Proceed. Start engine. Proceed. Perform a test drive. 10 to 30 minutes. Proceed. Right, so there we go. We've got a dynamic reading there of percentage. So I'll leave Nicola with the camera work. I'm just going to drive. Feel free to drop any comments or questions you've got in the comment box below, and I'll happily answer them for you. Ooh, choo-choo train. Beep, beep. Beautiful sunny day in Cheshire after the gales we had yesterday and hailstone in the afternoon. Yeah, that was an interesting day, that was yesterday. Gone from shorts and t-shirts on Saturday to full winter gear again. Don't need me bob hat on in this car. So we're going to go up on the A556. On the right hand side we're passing the Weaver Salt Museum, currently the temporary Northwich Library. Very historic building, highly recommend a visit when you're coming down to see us. In front of us here we've got a lesser spotted cyclist. Try not to hit him, that might mess the calibration up. Go on mate, take up all the lanes. Really, red lights do not apply. Sure, there's a word for that. It begins with C and ends in womble.
One of your pet peeves?
Yeah.
Me too.
Mammals, can't be doing with them. Must be one of them colourblind cyclists that can't see red. I'll get off my soapbox now.